Welcome back. On your pages, you also have editor sections, editor rows, and editor columns, and it's helpful to see first exactly what these sections tell you. So for example, if you hover over the sections area, and then you go to the Manage section, and you click the Manage section, you'll see that a pop-up box will come, and you basically have a sense for how your page is organized. So you'll notice that there is a video section. If you hover over that section, you'll see it highlighted, an opt-in bar, and the page will actually move and highlight, sales copy, and then your footer. And so you'll see that there are 4 basic sections of your page, and you can move these sections. So for example, you can move the video section down, or you can move the video section back up. You can move the sales copy up to the top, and you can move it back down. And when you do that, what you will have is you'll have the ability to preview what your page will actually look like. And you can click the eye so that you can see what your page will look like if that section is not present. And you'll notice that this eye is then grayed out. We can click it back. That section then comes back. We can slide the footer section all the way back down to the bottom. We can delete this entire section, or we can clone the entire section. In order to go back to the main screen, we can then click inside of our box. If we've made any changes, we can then click Save. We can also hover over the row, and we can go to the Manage section, and we can click the Manage link. We'll then be able to see the different rows that we have. So for example, we see a 1-column row with a video. We see a 3-column row with our opt-in bar. We see a 1-column row with the sales copy, and a 1-column row with the footer. And again, we can X out the row to see what it'll look like, exit back, or we can clone it. We can do the same thing with the columns by hovering over the columns, clicking the box, and we can then see our columns. Once you know how your page is organized, you can then make changes based on any of these sections. So for example, if we want to go to a video section, and we want to make changes, we can make changes in that section by clicking on the video section. If we want to add a section, we can do that. We can decide on what that section is going to look like, or if we wanted to mirror one of the sections, we can then just clone one of the sections that we already have. And the same thing is going to be true with our rows. We can add in rows based on the number of columns, or we can go back. So basically, we have the ability to alter this page using our sections, rows, and columns, or to reorganize the page in any way that we see fit. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.